everyone, today I'm going to show you how to carve this bowl. It's made from a really nice piece of Marri or West Australian red gum that a friend gave us, and I'll show you how I cut it up and got the sizing. I always wanted to make a bowl with little feet, and this has made a grapefruit bowl. It's really deep, as you can see, and it's got some great big sides on it. And I added a little bit of carving to make it a different feature. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with it. Okay, so I've got a bit of wood here that we got from a friend's house. I'm thinking of making a bowl out of this with some textured edges on it. So we've just cut a slice out of the trunk, and I think I'll just level this bit off at the top here first with the turbo plane before I start sculpting. I'm just marking out where the edges of my bowl are going to be, trying to miss all the bits of rotten wood and the sides, so that'll just give me a general guideline. Okay, so I've just finished the rough shaping of the outside, and I'm going to mark where the feet are going to go because I'm probably going to go down about that deep. So I'll just mark the feet, and I'll start working on that. Okay, I've just finished cutting out the basic shape of the legs with the chainsaw. It's starting to come together. Okay, day 2 now, and I've roughly shaped out the inside of my bowl, as you can see. I think I've gone fairly deep enough. So now I'm going to start working on getting the outside shape right, and I'm thinking I might sort of take it down here a little bit, so and I'll be rounding this off, and I've left the legs on there so it gives me a bit of time to get this right. So that's what I'll be doing next. Okay, I think I'll adjust the legs a little bit now, and then I've pretty much got both sides right, and then what I might do is start on some rough sanding and get this shape a little bit better, and I might even do something with these edges here. So. using a ball gouge to just even out the thickness a little bit. There's a few thick bits around the edges, so I'm just doing that. I've sanded the outside a little bit, and now I'm just going to work on the thickness all the way through here. I've just mixed some sawdust with some epoxy, and I've just been putting that into the gaps inside the bowl, just to fill up some of those gaps. So I'll let that set, and then when it's dry tomorrow, I'll give it a final sand, and then I'll start the carving on the outside. Okay, it's the next day, and as you can see, my glue has dried off where I filled, and I'll just start sanding that now and get it nice and smooth before I start chiseling the sides. Okay, I've just finished all the painting. I've painted in the gaps where I've chiseled it out with the power chisel. Now I'm just about to sand it off, and then it'll be ready for the final varnish coat.